The next section is payment amount. Here you would enter the payment or expense associated with the reminder or the task. For software subscriptions, enter your monthly subscription costs. For contract management, log your vendor service agreement amounts. You can enter payments that are monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. Just enter the payment here, and in the next column, which called payment interval, select the frequency that payment is due. The next section is called Last Payment Amount. This is not a required field and is just here if it's helpful to a specific reminder. In the next section called Last Payment Date, you can enter the date of the last payment amount. Both of these sections are helpful, so you can see when you paid something that is not typically charged monthly and how much you paid. This can help you if a vendor tries to bill twice for something you already paid. For example, if you paid for annual pest control service at your facility in January, if they tried to bill you again in July, you could log into RenewAlert and see how much you paid and when. Last payment is also helpful, where you can track subscription costs over time. Is a software subscription or vendor contract increasing each year? This feature helps you monitor cost trends across all your vendor contracts and subscriptions.